Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today's fifth and final Spooktober video, I will be sharing my swatches and review of the Holo Down to Earth bundle. This is actually a 7-piece bottle collection. You can get all of the bottles separately as well, but they are currently a little bit cheaper than they originally were if you get the bundle. So I paid $78 for this, of course excluding shipping, taxes and so on. Since I live all the way in the Netherlands, like taxes and shipping can be quite pricey. Like taxes is insane here, like 21% to import anything above 22 euros. So yeah, just our luck, you know. But you can get them separately for 12 bucks as well, and there is actually another topper in this collection too, which I love. It is so gorgeous. It is 13 bucks. So yeah, let's just get on with the swatches already, because I am already showing you one. And this one is called Not Pressed. I think it is my least favorite color from this collection, just because it is like a pukey poopy kind of green. Greens are my least favorite colors when it comes to nail polishes, but yeah, I don't know, you either love or hate a chartreuse kind of tone like this, and I don't know if I like it or not. But compared to the 6 or at least 5 other creamy shades from this collection or bundle, this one is my least favorite. Other than that, it is completely opaque within 2 coats, and please ignore the fact that I have to do my gel polish overlay once again. You can see that I've been quite rough around my cuticle area. There's like new growth and everything, so let's just ignore that and focus on these beautiful polishes. Then I just decided to add a coat of Fallen Flake Taco, the like special flaky top coat that was in this bundle as well, after applying every single creamy color from this bundle. I just felt like it gave the most like accurate effect, just to show you what this topper actually looks like on all 6 creamy colors, and you can definitely make up your mind in what kind of combination you like best, or if there are any colors you really don't want to get because of the topper not looking good on it. You know, there are so many options when it comes to nail polish bundles like this. But yeah, I just decided to slap the top coat on each and every single creamy color afterwards, because I was also really curious to see what they would actually look like in different combinations. Then the next one is a green that I actually do like. This one is called Modest Moss. It is more of like a foresty green kind of color. Once again, completely creamy, and I will be doing 2 coats of this one as well. This is one of those colors that you definitely want to like double up your base coat for, because it is quite dark, it is quite pigmented, so the chances of getting your natural nail plate stained are quite high when it comes to colors like these. Of course, if you don't mind that, just do whatever you like, you know. If you're like me and you actually do wear a gel polish base and top coat as a gel overlay, just a thin coat of like gel polish, you don't have to worry about staining too much, because like regular nail polishes don't penetrate like pigment wise through gel. But yeah, if you have any questions on how I actually do my gel polish overlay, definitely let me know in the comment section down below, or check out some older videos on my channel from like 2 months ago. I actually recently did an updated video on how to do so on natural nails. But yeah, next color is Nightshade. This is a really nice medium towards darker purple. It's a little bit of a muted color. It isn't like super bright or anything like that. One thing that I actually did notice while swatching this collection is that there are a couple of colors that are quite similar to the new nail polishes by Essence collection that they just recently came out with in their fall winter 2023 collection update. So if you are like, I really like a couple of these colors, definitely check out the Essence bottles, because they are way more affordable. They are like €2 a bottle, and they are really good as well. So yeah, that's just a little side note I wanted to mention. Definitely check out last week's video if you're interested in seeing what colors Essence came out with for this fall winter update, because I just swatched them as well. But yeah, this color Nightshade, completely perfectly opaque within 2 coats. It's really gorgeous, and I love the combination with the Fallen Flake Taco on top. Really stunning. The top coat, by the way, the Fallen Flake Taco, it's just very beautifully multi-chrome flakes, I'd say, like greens, golds, like oranges, coppery kind of tones come forward whenever you shift your nail, as you can see in the footage, of course. I think it is one of the most beautiful top coats that Holo Taco actually has come out with so far, apart from the Aurora top coat, which is my favorite, of course, because of the name, but it's just a really gorgeous flaky top coat as well. But yeah, next color I'm already swatching right here, which is also a color that is very close to one of those Essence Fall Winter Collection update colors. This one is called Brick Wall. It is a bricky red kind of color, very warm and rich in undertone, very pigmented as well, so definitely protect your natural nails with a good base coat or even 2 coats, maybe even mixing and matching 2 different bases to get like the most safe and flawless end result. Let's just put it at that. I think it's a really gorgeous color. I did have a little bit of a sloppy application, as you can see, like next to the nail on the skin, but it's easily to remove afterwards with a little brush and a little bit of nail polish remover. I do get asked quite a lot what kind of remover that I use, because I do have a gel polish overlay. I only use acetone-free removers, and especially when filming like videos like this where I swatch like multiple bottles in a row, to prevent my gel from like dissolving, I have to use acetone free ones, because if you do use acetone, your gel will dissolve, it will get all messy, and you have to do your nails like the gel polish overlay way too often, and I tend to only do it like once every 3 to 4 weeks. And the brand that I actually do use for that is PJR. So yeah, just a little extra information I wanted to put out there. Next color is called Loki Blushing. This is one of those colors that I felt like I would really love when I saw it in the bottle, but on the nail itself, I think it's a little bit too warm, a little bit too peachy for me personally. I do love soft pink, like peachy blushy kind of colors like this, but I feel like it doesn't really match well with my skin tone. I do think if you have more of like a warmer skin tone, or even like a super beautiful dark skin color, it would look stunning on you, but on me it's just it really pulls out the reds in my skin, which I personally don't really like. But then again, with the Fallen Flake Taco on top, I think it looks really gorgeous. Like you can really see the different shades of that flake in there on top of this blushy color. Then the 6th and final color of like the creamy shades from this Holo Taco Down to Earth bundle is called Stay Grounded, and this is kind of like a muddy, like a chocolate muddy kind of color. I do feel like it's kind of like chocolate but caramel infused. If I look at this color like too much, I will get hungry. Like, this is pregnancy cravings, people. Now I really feel like having like a Lion or a Snickers bar or something like that. Anything that is chocolatey and caramelly, and but if you're into brown shades like these, it's actually perfect to use for nail art, either as a base or as accent color, especially this time of year during Spooktober, Halloween and fall season. Definitely check it out. It is completely opaque within 2 coats, and for me at the moment it just makes me kind of hungry. But then finally I am going to add the Fallen Flake Taco on top. I really love this top coat, if you didn't notice it so far, because oh my, the color shift in this is really beautiful, and I really do like the fact that there are different sizes of flakes in here as well. But yeah, this was my entire new swatcheroo, like review video, talk through and so on. Let me know what you think about these colors. Once again, Essence has some really nice dupes of these which are way more affordable. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you next time.